Hey guys, it's Paul here from PNUK Training. I just want to introduce you to a free tool that I've just added to our website, and it's a free training course that will check all of your pages and make sure that you've set up your pages correctly to make Google love your website. So effectively, there's all sorts of different things that Google look at on a page that a lot of people forget to do, and I'm going to prove that I don't do it either. I need to pull my finger out and make my website better as well. So all you've got to do is come to this link. I'll leave a link in the description and on the first comment, and it'll be on the page as well. Type in your website. So mine is pnuk.com. Type in the keyword of what you want to rank on. What word would you like to rank? If someone's typing this in, what would it be on? And I'll put business training for mine, right? Business training. I'm going to put in my name. You don't actually have to put your name in. I'll put in an email that's different to mine. It will ask you for your email. I'm not collecting emails. It will email me and tell me that you filled it in, but I'm not. I actually tried to turn that off. I tried to make it so you don't have to put your email in, but there isn't a setting that I can turn off. But I promise you, I'm not going to be using your email, looking at your information or anything like that. All you got to do is put it in, tick the box for European law reasons, and scan. And it'll take, depending on how busy your website is, up to 15 seconds-ish to come up with a report to say this is what we would recommend for that page, right? So you can download it at the top. It will have sent you an email as well, so you can forward that on to anybody you think needs to look at it. So my page for business training has got a ranking of 60. So good signals, 29 good signals, 29 issues found, a 60 grade, right? Here's what it looks like above the fold. So the fold's always that first look before somebody starts scrolling down your website. So it's telling me about that, it's checking my page speed. Your page speed loads out in under 2 seconds. It's not a large file size, and there's not a lot of widgets and gadgets and things happening on your website that's requesting lots of file requests to make it work. A lot of WordPress programs can add lots of funky plugins, but they can slow your website down. Checking your URL's friendly, hasn't got business. So it's saying basically if you put /business training, maybe that would help your SEO. No underscores. Page is close enough to the top level domain, so you want it to be one of the main pages on your website. And I'll put, if people are struggling with this information, I'll start putting mini training courses in the training course. I'll put some videos out as to what to do to make this ranking go up. And maybe that's what I'll do as I edit my website. Title tag, so there's no title tag with the business training. There's no keyword in there. Title has 70 characters or less, so I've got a short title. Description needs exact keywords, so there's a description in there that I need to edit. So you can see I have got a lot of work to do. Images, type in business on your images. So when you upload an image to WordPress, it'll say alt information and some meta information that you can type in. The file name, I uploaded a file name and it's saying here, remove the underscore in the file name, add exact keyword to the image file name. So before you upload your images to your WordPress, I've just probably put logo.jpg. What I should have done was rename it Paul Nicholson PNUK Business Training, then uploaded it, and then it would have the title in the file name. Further down, more things. Are your headings correct? This is all. I'm not an SEO expert. I think this report is proving I'm not an SEO expert. I have nothing to sell. I am not trying to make your. I'm not going to email you say if you give me 200 quid, I'll make your website better. That's not what this tool's for. That's not what Punk Training's for. Punk, PNUK. More and more all the way through, and it's just going to tell me links from other sites, an analyst on a mobile device, all sorts of things to tinker with and edit to get your ranking up. And then it'll give you a checklist on things that you should do, so you can print this out and say, yeah, we've done that, yeah, we've done that, yeah, we've done that. So I will get an email. This is me testing it. I will get an email saying that you've filled a lead out. I'm not going to do it. I'll probably even turn that off. you will get an email. Thank you for using our audit tool. And then you can click and open that and do what you want. Share it with anybody. I'll get an email. For some reason, it sends me two. It's the exact same information. Just with what you filled out and somebody filled it in. Like I said, I'm actually going to turn that notification off so I don't get it. The second thing you can do is test your website against somebody else's. So I work with a lot of security companies. So let's do Doncaster Alarm Company. Right, that's the keyword we want to hit on. So we're going to go and grab some competitors, right? So let's go here. We're going to do Doncaster Alarm Company. Oh my God, my fingers are not working today. And I'm going to put in Doncaster Alarms. Let's not use the Doncaster Alarms. Let's use this one. Advanced. I used to work for this company. Advanced Security. Right, and then I'm going to add the competitor, and I'm going to say RSS Specialist is the competitor. Right, so I'm going to say what does my web page look like to theirs. So we're going to scan. This time it's going to do it split by split, and we're going to see why am I ranking higher or lower. You can see in that they're actually ranking above. We could have done it against Doncaster Alarms to try and get above that search engine score. But it's going to go check both them websites out and give both of them a score and see what happens. So you can look at it against one of your competitors. You can run one sales page versus another if you've got your own thing. If you've got two pages, you want to check the score on both pages. You can see why people come into this page instead of that one. It might take a little bit longer because it's looking at two websites. Here we go. So here, back to the top of the page. So if you work for Advanced Security, your score is 56 out of 100. Your competitor is 57. So you can see you're already beating them on page speed. Their page is loading too slow. There's too much information. They've probably got too many big images. Got too many things going on. Too many requests happening. Exact keyword not in the URL. Exact keyword not in the URL, which I don't think it would be on your homepage, would it? Unless you actually bought the URL. The title tag information here should contain the keyword information. So you can run, again, the same test against one of your competitors and see what you need to do. And it gives a checklist for sorting it out. I think it's a cool tool. It's free to use. What I've also done is added this to a training course. So the tool is inside the training course. So if you enroll in the training course, you'll be able to use the tool. More being the point where if you're in PNUK training, if you're in PNUK training, then when you go to My Courses, if you've enrolled in that training course, which I haven't, it would show up in your My Courses. So that would be a reason to do it. And I may add some lessons to specifically show you how to get ticks or better stats on those certain points that it brings up. So hopefully it's a cool free tool. I'll put the link, as I said, in below. Check it out, play around, see what your score is. I am not emailing you from the information it's sending me. In fact, I don't want it to. And I will help you. If you want to come to the forum, if you want to come to the Q&A, you can ask questions here as well. I've got an all new Q&A website out that you can basically just go in and ask a question. So, just put in not scoring on the so-and-so, or how do I do the alt text on images, or change file names, or whatever it might be. Ask a question and I will reply as soon as I can. Bit of a scatty email, because I'm not video, because I'm not a SEO expert, but I think that tool's really cool, and I was able to add it to my site and offer it out to you as a little bit of a bonus for training. Any questions, anything else you want, anything this training needs, fire away. I will help the best I can. Cheers.